It's Wayne here, the owner of Custom Creations, WA's premier skirting board company. I wanted to make a quick video just to showcase this install. We've put the 125 WA Federation skirting in last week prior to the install of the carpet. Back up this week to install window sills. So I'll flip the camera around, just give everyone a bit of a quick view as to what we've done here. So you can see the window sills, obviously still been painted. We've installed this minor bedroom window round this carpet through here. 125mm WA Federation skirting. You can walk down through the hallway in the carpeted area. Window sill there in the activity room. Down through the long carpeted hallway. Carpet guys have actually done a really good job, no damage on the skirting boards, I'm happy about that. Another minor bedroom, window sill. Yeah, back room, another window sill there. Skirting flows cross over here from the carpet to the kitchen floor. That's a beautiful floor. The flooring guys did a fantastic job as well, makes our life a little bit easier. Through the kitchen area. Screws on quickly up to the front of the house. The quality you see here is synonymous with every install. We've got the lifetime warranty guarantee on our install. These skirting boards will never come off the wall. What you do with the vacuum cleaner is totally up to you. Into the master bedroom. Again, window sills on the two front windows here. Well, there you go, there you have it in real time. That's what Custom Creations do to a home. The finishing touch definitely starts with us. If you guys want a quote, just jump online. We have a new website that we've just made live. It is still under construction, but it is live. Our Facebook page, obviously that's there. You can message us through Facebook, send us an email, or give us a call direct. There's someone always at the end of the line. We look forward to hearing from you. See you all soon.